Example number 1. Find the centroid of the area bounded by the parabola y squared is equals to 2x, the x-axis, and the line x is equals. So let's start first by graphing the line. So bounded by the parabola, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Let this be our line. So, so x is equals to 2. This is 0, 1, and 2. This is our line. X is equals to 2. Okay, so if x natin is 0, y is also 0. So if x natin is 1, x is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. So square root ng 2, so square root ng 2. If x natin is 2, that is 4. So square root ng 4, that is either positive or negative 4. So nasa upper and nasa lower yung value natin ng y. Diba? So, kasi if x natin is 2, palitan natin, y is equals to the square root of 2 times 2. Y is equals to square root ng 4 plus or minus 2. So, 1, 2, since positive naman, so nandito yung isang point, square root of 2. So, ganito yung parabola. Okay, ibang kulay gamitin natin. So, ganito yung tsura ng parabola na. Okay. The question is how we will find the area bounded by this parabola. For example, ito yung nandito yung point ng centroid natin. So, ito yung or point of centroid, estimate natin. So, assume natin na nandito yung point of centroid. So, yung distance niya along x is yung x bar natin. Diba? And yung distance niya along y is yung y bar. So, we don't know that x bar and y bar. So, ang pinapahanap is yung centroid nito. So, what we will do is to draw a vertical strip. So, dito na lang natin ilagay yung vertical strip natin. Okay, so vertical strip muna tayo by using vertical strip. Okay, so ito yung strip natin. So, ito yung magiging centroid ng strip natin. Okay, so in which yung distance niya sa x, so diba ito, yung distance mula sa line hanggang dito. So, we don't know that. So, we denote that as x. And yung distance naman mula dito sa centroid hanggang dun sa y. So, we denote that as y. Pero alam natin na midpoint yan itong strip. Ito yung y upper natin, ito yung y lower. So, y lower natin is equal to 0. So, using yung formula natin, area bar x for x bar. Area x bar is equal to integral ng x differential area. So, we need to determine the area of this parabola, of this curve bounded by the parabola. So, start tayo sa area. To find the area, using yung strip natin na horizontal. So, di ba ito yung, since we are, dinivide natin yung area natin along x. So, ito yung dx natin. Tapos yung total length ng strip. Okay, so, we denote this para mas hindi kayo malito. So, yung distance ng centroid mula sa line na to, ilagay natin siya as xc para sa distance ng centroid. And yung y naman, yung height ng centroid ng point na to is yung yc natin. Meaning, y ng centroid ng strip. Ito, x ng centroid ng strip. Yung x bar, yung mismong coordinate na centroid natin ng area, and yung y bar, x bar and y bar, pag may bar, yung mismong centroid. Pag c, yung centroid ng strip. Now, to find the area, diba, since we're using vertical strip, so that is equal, so area is equal to integral ng y dx. Limit natin is from x sub 1 hanggang x sub. So, yung y natin dyan is yung y upper minus y lower. So, since y lower natin is 0, kasi 0 baga tayo dito sa line na to, sa x-axis. X-axis, y is equal to 0. So, equal, integral. So, lower limit natin mula sa 0 hanggang dito, which is equal to 2. So, from 0 hanggang 2. So, what is our y? So, we all know from here that y is equal to the square root of 2x. So, it is equal to square root of 2x dx. Now, ilabas natin yung square root of 2. May iwan is square root of x dx. So, ilabas natin square root of 2. Integral from 0 to 2 ng square root of x dx. Now, integrating this, x raised to 1/2 ba yan? So, square root of 2, integral mula sa 0 to 2 ng x raised to 1/2 dx. Now, power formula na lang, magiging na siyang square root of 2 times, integrating this, magiging siyang x raised to 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2. Then, applying limit from 0 hanggang 2. Integrating, kukuha natin yung area using our calculator, square root of 2. Okay, so we will multiply it by 2 minus 0, applying limit raised to 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2. That is equal to 8 over 3 square units. So, yan yung area na gagamitin natin dito sa part na to. So, nakuha na natin yung area. Mayroon na rin tayong dA, which is yung dA natin is equal to y dx. Yung dA na yan, yung differential area na yan, siya yung area ng strip. Differential area ng strip. Diba? Which is equal to y dx. Length times yung width ng strip natin. So, nakuha natin yung A natin as 8 over 3, then x bar is equal to integral ng x. So, sabi natin, dA natin, dA that is equal to y dx. Now, palitan natin yung y. So, 8 over 3 x bar is equals to integral ng x times y that is equal to the square root of 2x. Okay? Square root of 2x times dx. Kasi sabi natin dito, y is equals to square root of 2x. Diba? Dito. So, pinalitan lang natin para lahat na siya in terms of x. Since we are in terms of x, yung limits natin, syempre in terms of x din. So, from 0 hanggang 2. Okay. So, next. What will we do now? So, divide both sides. Ito, integrate muna natin. So, 8 over 3 x bar is now equal to integral from 0 to 2. Oh, wait. So, ihiwalay natin. Pwede nating ilabas na yung square root of 2. Pwede nating ilabas yung square root of 2. Magiging siyang square root of 2 integral from 0 to 2 ng x times square root of x dx. So, 8 over 3 x bar is equals to square root of 2 integral 0 to 2 x times x raised to 1/2, that is x raised to 3 over 2 dx. Now, integrating this, mapupunta na siya sa 8 over 3 x bar is equals to square root of 2 times, integrating this, magiging siyang x 3 over 2 plus 1. Okay? So, 3 over 2 plus 1, that is equal to 5 over 2. That is equal to 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. Limits natin mula sa 0 hanggang, now if we will divide this both sides by 8 over 3, makakancel yan. Matitira na lang is yung x bar natin. And then, kaya na yan ng calculator. Using our calculator, so, square root of 2 times, ito palitan na natin ng 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 raised to 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 close parenthesis divided by 8 over 3 plus equal 6 over 5 yung coordinate ng x bar natin. So meaning, distance ng x bar na to, that is equivalent to 6 over 5 mula dito hanggang dyan. So that is equivalent to 6 over 5. Now, paano natin kukunin yung y bar? So, di ba? Yung y bar, galing ulit dun sa formula, y bar is equals to integral mula sa 0, y dA natin. Y sub c dA. So, ano yung y sub c natin dito? So, ito, x sub c ito. So, ano yung y sub c natin dito? So, di ba sabi natin, midpoint lang yan. So, di ba? Midpoint lang yan. Midpoint. In which, kapag kadalawang graph yan, y upper plus y lower divided by 2. This time, since y lower natin is equal to 0, since di ba yung y natin sa point na to, yung y natin sa point na to is equal to 0. So, therefore, y lower natin is 0. So, therefore, pwede natin sabihin na y sub c is equals to y upper, which is just equal to y, plus 0 all over 2. O kaya, y sub c is equals to y over. So, ipapalit natin siya dito sa y sub c natin. So, y bar is equals to integral ng y over 2 differential of a natin. Now, substituting dA, di ba yung dA natin that is equal to y dx? Since yung differential area is the differential area of the strip. Kukunin natin yung differential area ng strip which is equal to y dx. So, A natin is 8 over 3 y bar is equals to the integral ng y over 2 times dA natin that is equal to y differential of x. Limit natin is x sub 1 which is 0, x sub 2 is 2. Okay, so makukuha natin yung y bar, ilabas natin yung 1/2, 8 over 3 y bar is equal to the integral from 0 to 2. Oh, labas natin yung 1/2 ng y times y. Y times y is y squared dx. So, sabi natin y squared, ilan yung y squared? Y squared is equals to 2x. So, galing dito. So, pwede na natin siyang ipalit dito sa na-derive natin na equation. So, ang mangyayari magiging 8 over 3 y bar is equals to 1/2 integral from 0 to 2. Y squared is equal to 2x dx. So, ilabas natin yung 2. Magka-cancel out yan. May iwan na lang is x dx. Now, ano integral ng x dx? That is equal to our formula, x raised to 2 over 2. So, 8 over 3 y bar is equals to, divide na natin both sides by 8 over 3 para madiretso na. So, divide by 8 over 3. Ito, divide din natin by 8 over 3. So, ang mangyayari magiging y bar is equals to integral ng x dx, that is equal to x squared over limit is from 0 hanggang 2, that is 2, all over 8 over 3. Therefore, yung y bar natin, makukuha natin at using limits, calculator na lang yan. Okay? So, 2, close natin sa parenthesis. Diba ito yung x? 2 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit is squared over 2 over 8 over 3. That is equal to 3 over 4. So, therefore, yung units ng x bar and y bar natin or the centroids are in the point 6 over 5 and 3 over 4.